all there. So let's get straight to work. First I will show you that how much space is there in my local disk C. As here are the major temporary files, cache files which we do not need. So as you can see here in local disk C we have many things of no use, so we should clear it and increase the space in local disk C. As local disk C has many useful data, so we can't delete it like this. So how can we figure out what to delete? Don't worry, I will help you in all this. Let's start. First search for disk cleanup. Click on disk cleanup option, a new tab will open and select the C drive. After clicking on OK button, a new window will open. As we can see here, it is saying we can free 17 GB data from here, but it is just from the disk outer, but what about inside the disk? For that, click on Clean Up System Files. Then select C drive here, as we are deleting the waste data from C, and click OK. It will start collecting the data that can be deleted. Then a new window will open asking to select more unusable data. You can select Windows old files that are left in disk C after update of Windows and many more to free up the space. Then click on OK, and the deletion procedure may take time. As here all unusable things are deleted, it may fasten your PC to better speed. As I have done it first for several times, so I think only some difference can be seen here. Do subscribe, hit like and share video. For any question, comment below.